Nissan's third-generation Qashqai SUV has undergone a significant makeover, featuring both style and technology updates to ensure it remains competitive in the crowded crossover market. The redesign includes a visually striking front end, replacing the previous model's V-shaped chrome grille and distinctive headlight design with a new, larger mesh grille inspired by ancient Japanese chainmail armor. This update also introduces hidden headlights and ultra-slim daytime running lights, further modernizing the Qashqai's aesthetic. The rear of the SUV has also been subtly enhanced. It features new LED lights and a redesigned bumper with a more aggressive lower section, which lends the Qashqai a sportier presence. This look is accentuated in the new N-Design grade, which offers color-coded body trim and larger 20-inch wheels, compared to the standard 18-inch and 19-inch sizes. Despite these external changes, the Qashqai retains its all-electrified engine lineup. Buyers can choose from two 1.3-liter mild hybrid engines, producing 140 and 160 PS respectively, and a 190 PS 1.5-liter e-Power full hybrid. The full hybrid utilizes its combustion engine solely to charge the battery, never directly driving the wheels. However, Nissan has not introduced an EV powertrain or a plug-in hybrid option for the Qashqai. Technologically, the Qashqai is more advanced than ever. It features an updated Android-based infotainment system equipped with built-in Google Maps and a Google Personal Assistant. The SUV also includes an enhanced around view monitor camera system, now with a 3D function, allowing drivers to view their vehicle from every angle, including overhead. Additional features include an invisible hood view and a parking spot location memory that can automatically maneuver the vehicle into frequently used parking spots and provide extra wide angle feeds at complex intersections. The updated Qashqai is currently in production at Nissan's Sunderland plant in the UK and will soon be available at European dealers. However, there are no plans to introduce the vehicle in the US market.